More music.
This week we'll be featuring Sweets, one of my favorite restaurants here in Provo. Great Polynesian food. Every day they have different specials. But we're coming in today, Saturday, for their very special poke that they make fresh every day. And so let's go inside and we'll check it out and we'll tell you more about the restaurant.
More music.
You'll come and look at the menu and not know what to get. So I'll just pan over and show you what you can choose from. You'll have your staple, rice, where you can mix it up and get half rice, half noodles. Then you'll have your meats, teriyaki chicken, smoked spare ribs, chicken katsu, and kalua pork. And then you can sauce it up if you want to. Then we'll move on to the sides. You get to choose one with your order. You have pineapple or mac salad. One hard worker that stays behind the scenes is his brother. He's the machine behind the ingredients and also why the spare ribs are so good. And now to our Saturday special, the poke.
So what we're going to do is we're going to make poke. Poke consists of onions, green onions, and a little bit of our magic sauce. Can't show you what it is, but I'll show you the game steps. So you'll take the onion that I have, pretty much. You don't want too much onions in your poke. Just one enough. So most people like them like thinly sliced. We're doing cube. Go along with our cube poke. We got the green onions. And this is what it looks like. Beginning stage of poke. Then we'll be back. We'll show you the rest, the sauce. So right here is our garnish. We'll just take this, it's sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds and panko. This is our garnish. This is the reason why our poke is bomb. This was all prepped by my brother. It's already pre-cut, everything's ready to roll. Now we're just gonna mix it. Shout out to Ben, man. Thanks for coming in.
More music.
It's your boy. I know that you like it, don't fight it. Baby girl, I got you excited. And this party, you know you invited. Oh, I know that you like it. That's why you coming through. Pretty girl like you, what you got to prove? I know you came from the good side of the town you're running at. I'm just trying to run with you now, baby, can you hold me? Now when we in the field, yeah, we keep it chill. Baby, know the deal. I'm just trying to get you in your feels. Yeah, you already know the deal. Trying to get you screaming and holler. Showing down for the meal. Baby, then call me Big Papa. I know that you like it, don't fight it. Baby girl, I got you excited. And this party, you know you invited. Oh, I know that you like it.
I know that you like it. Even
take me higher, yeah. Feeling like I'm flying, yeah. Whoa, dread. Oh, I think I might fit. Even if the radio turned off, girl, you better not quit. Thinking of the taste right now. I'm clocked in, but I'm thinking about your waist right now. I'm craving your body, me at your place right now. I'm close to you and I need to see your face right now. Raindrop with your crop top, let's make it hot like whoa. I know that you like it, don't fight it. Baby girl, I got you excited. And this party, you know you invited. Oh, I know that you like it.
I love all my poly girls, just had to say. Wish they looked at me the way they look at Sammy J. Slid up in my DMs, girl, don't act afraid. My new girl, half Samoan, saw her, man, I had to wave. Yeah, girl, you invited, you my girlfriend, you implied it. I'm like, why we always fighting with your girls all out here hyping? I'm like, baby, why you ghosting me? Now my Usos roasting me. Loved you like I'm Jodeci. Is this about your ovaries?
I know that you like it, don't fight it. Baby girl, I got you excited. And this party, you know you invited. Oh, I know that you like it. I know that you like it, don't fight it. Baby girl, I got you.
You can get this only on Saturdays, but make sure you come early because this goes quick. You can get either spicy or sweet poke, but the best is to have it split half and half. Another must-have is the mango otai, a traditional Polynesian fruit drink that is just out of this world. Once in a while, that might also have coconut otai or watermelon otai. Once again, thank you for following me, and this is how I chow.
Girl like you, what you got to prove? I know you came from the good side of the town you're running at. I'm just trying to run with you now, baby. Can you hold me down when we in the field? Yeah, we keep it chill, baby. Know the deal. I'm just trying to get you in your feels. Yeah.